Hello. Can I just start off by saying I really like this hat? I don't even know why. It's not that good. It doesn't even fit me right. There's something about it, man. I keep coming back to this one, you know? I've got lots of hats, but this is the one. This is the Play Piano hat. Easy word from today's sponsor today. I'm going to go with sport. It's a good one, isn't it? Already thought of it. I've totally forgotten. Makes you sad for the mistakes when you do the rest of it brilliant. And I'm not saying it's brilliant by like your standards maybe, but I don't care about your standards. You know what I mean? I'm the one that lives in my skin. I'm proud of what I can do. You should learn to do some things. Be proud of what you can do. Love you, bye.